Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me, Indiannie Jones, and welcome to my first experience with a DTF printer. What's DTF? Well, we'll soon find out, but I thought I would share with you my first experience learning how to use this new printer. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Procolored DTF 13 LITE, and this is the fluffy panda version, and it's pink and I am so in love with it. I mean, just a little panda face is enough, but the fact that I have this amazing piece of equipment and it's this beautiful pink, well, what's not to love about it? If you've never heard of DTF, it stands for direct to film. So this is a professional grade piece of equipment, a printer that is so impressive because it will create a professional version of iron-ons. This is fantastic. So I will create and develop and design my own iron-ons as I wish with this new machinery. And I am so excited to get started. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you the exact unboxing. It actually came in a crate, if you want to believe that. Yes, a wooden crate. And Luke was so kind to unbox that part himself because he knew how heavy it was. So he helped me by getting the equipment onto my table. I'm showing you there not to use a knife or any kind of blade and cut across the plastic. Just open it on the sides, as this will protect the actual machinery. Not only did I get that wonderful printer, but I have all the accessories that go with it, including all the inks, and of course my power cords and my connecting cords, and even my funnels that I'll need for the ink. Yes, you do need funnels for the ink, and I will explain later. But yes, there is a process of adding the ink and maintaining the machine throughout. Here are some basic instructions, but also there are wonderful instructions online. So here I'm just unboxing everything, taking everything out, and just getting an appreciation for this amazing machine. Now, what I truly appreciate about this machine is that even though it's a professional grade DTF printer, it is made for a home-based studio or for a home-based business. It's small enough that you can contain it within. Here I have it in a table. I have everything on one table that has different racks, and it is so fabulous that I can just roll it out, and literally it's on wheels that I can lock, but I can roll it out and use it whenever I like. Now, I didn't go through all of the steps for the installation, but it's very, very simple. Don't get overwhelmed. It's just a few steps. Here I'm just adding the roller holders because you're going to have your film is going to be on a roller. Yes, and it's amazing how much you can print from this one roller. You're also going to have to, oh, wait a second, we have some inspection to be done by my quality control cat. She was very, very curious, but I think that the Procolored printer passed inspection. Now I have the roller on, and next I'm going to be installing the ink. Now, let me show you how easy it is to follow instructions that are provided by Procolored on their website. There's no actual manual that comes in with the boxes. It's all online, so it's so easy to follow. Here you can see all the different printers they have available to you, so you can check and see which one is best for your business. I have the K13 light pink, what they call the fluffy panda, and I like the fluffy panda. But here's the manual. Look at how easy it is. There you can see the actual crate that came with the printer. But you can see it shows you all the items that you need and how to get started. Here's just the unboxing video. So not only does it have a manual with all the visuals, it also has unboxing videos, installation videos, everything you need. Now here is the actual software that I will be using. The software also is downloadable from their website. Now all of these images I actually found through design bundles, and believe it or not, all these beautiful images are absolutely free. I did sign up, but it's fantastic the amount of things that is available on design bundles. Here I chose this cute little deer just to start out because I just love the colors. And I was amazed. I said, can it really reproduce all of these colors? And yes, it can. It's amazing. So here, all you're going to do is size up what your print is going to look like. I just wanted to start out with a small print. Now, I didn't show in the video, but you do have to install the actual ink, and it's very easy. All you have to do is put the ink according to the colors in the packs in the printer itself. And the printer pushes out the ink just with one push of a button. You don't have to worry about anything else. There are all the support and tech support that you need. And here you can actually see the printer at work. It's amazing to watch, and I love the fact that I can open the top and just monitor what is happening in the printer down below. Now, first it prints out all of the different colors in bright, beautiful colors. And then afterwards, it finishes with a layer of white so that you don't have to worry about what color you're printing on. Because of this, you truly have the freedom of printing everything you want for any color t-shirt because of the white background. It makes sure that the colors are bright, bold, and beautiful. This is another print job that I had, and I just wanted to show you how big and beautiful this print job was in all the variety of colors. Look at this. I absolutely love this. Isn't that perfect for a pajama top? Next, we need to use the DTF powder. The DTF powder is what is used to be actually able to affix the design to your t-shirt. It's a very simple process. Don't get overwhelmed. It's just a matter of sprinkling on this powder over all of the design that you have. Every little word, every little letter, every little star. And what I usually do is I just run it through, and you see it's not a lot of powder that's being used, but I do pour enough powder to make sure that it gets onto the full design. I do at least 3 passes to make sure every single thing is covered with the DTF powder. Now, this you have to do immediately after you've pulled out the print job. But what's wonderful about it is that you can shelve this and save it as long as you like once it's been baked. This is the baking part. So this is our little oven. And again, this is a fume-free, smoke-free oven. All you have to do is turn it on, let it heat up, and put the item in the oven. Please be careful because it does get hot. And just check all the different statuses of the oven while it is baking. Now, the next part is another piece of equipment, and this is the heat press. Here is Luke once again. This time I caught him before he finished opening the box. I can't complain. He was so kind to open the box and have it set up for me when I got home. But here he knew to wait this time. There's the instructions. It's very basic. And this is just like any other heat press, except it's got the cutest design. I mean, when I saw him open this box, I was so gleeful because look at this cute face. Who wouldn't want to wake up and work with this little panda dude every day? I absolutely love this. So once we set up the press, I was ready to get started with all of my projects. You can see I have all of the printouts that I did. And here's the user manual once again. But you can see all the different print items that I have to the side. And again, I just love how this works. Just with the press of a button, and there it's setting up the heat and the time. This little button here, you can control the settings, and you can start it, stop it, and turn off the machine. So here's the screen shirt. I pressed it first just by itself, just to make sure that it's nice and even. There's no wrinkles. I just did it for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add the artwork that I made. I couldn't be happier that this product came to me just before Christmas, so I can create all of these wonderful designs and give them as gifts to my friends or wear them myself. So here you see I just put the design. I did mistake Number one, I always like to use a sheet of parchment paper or baker's paper between the machine and the artwork, just in case. And I did forget that step, but only this one time, but I did remember and put it in the second time. And there you have it. There is this beautiful, beautiful artwork with all these colors, perfect for Christmas. I do make sure to let it sit just for a moment before peeling off the film. But as you can see, nothing gets stuck. It comes right off. It's very simple and easy. Look at this color. Oh my goodness. And look at how beautiful and white the whipped cream turns out. And all of the white areas, it's because of that white backing that is printed right after the color print is completed. That way you can print on a shirt as dark as you'd like, and you know that your whites are going to be perfectly, perfectly white. Now, you don't have to think that this is just for t-shirts. Here are some pot holders that I thought would be so cute to be part of Mrs. Claus's gingerbread bakery. And here I go again. I started it out. I'm so excited about using it. I started it out without the parchment paper, but it's fine. It still worked out very well, but I did correct it afterwards and put a little bit of parchment paper just to make sure. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful. Now, let's see the reveal. That is the most fun. Look at this, how easy with one hand, and even into all of those little grooves and divisions where it's sewn in, it just adhered perfectly. Now, what's better than a canvas bag as a gift for Christmas? Here's that beautiful design that you saw me print out earlier. And again, it's just so adorable. My only complaint is that I put it up too high, I think because I was looking at it in the opposite way. And I did it that way because I didn't want the handles to interfere with the closing mechanism. And there we go. It closes once again. And there you have it. So this time I remembered to put the parchment paper. I like to do that just as a safety precaution. But to be honest, it works so well that you don't have to worry about the parchment paper. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine giving this as a gift? Or even better, selling your own shopping bags. Let's say you have a small business of crafting, because you love to craft because you're watching me, and you create your own bags that you can also sell as gift bags. Look at this. How beautiful. Again, this is from Design Bundles. That's where the design came from. But you can use your own designs, create your own using products like Canva. But it is just fantastic. I have to tell you, I am so incredibly impressed. And I think I'm going to make a lot of homemade Christmas gifts this year. Look at this. I just love it. Ready to go shopping. The best thing about Procolored DTF printers is they bundle everything you need to get started right away on your new business. Yes, so if you ever really thought of creating your own business, and this is a fabulous business to personalize t-shirts for smaller groups, church groups, teams, schools, what have you, that they don't have hundreds and hundreds of t-shirts that they need to make. This is a great way to get started. And once again, right now with Black Friday deals, you can't lose. It's a wonderful opportunity to get started with your new business right before Christmas. Just test it out and then get started in the new year with a new business just for you and from your home. All the information you need will be in my description down below. And I can't thank Procolored more than getting me started with this DTF journey. And I truly, truly appreciate it because my mind is buzzing with how many things I want to create for Christmas as gifts and possibly starting a new business next year. Thanks again for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure. And I'll see you again very, very soon.